the late Joey Taggart.
Get in there.
Hi guys, are we live? Yes, we're live.
Are we live?
I was just telling my new friend Joey Taggart, I'm not showing your face yet, because he's American and he's worried. No, but he's American and he wants to know if there's anything he would say that would offend Indians, right?
Yeah.
And I said, okay Joey, are you ready to be famous?
I am ready to be famous. Thank you.
You're not.
Yeah. What's up? I'm over here though, so I'll come wherever she wants me to be at. Now I'm in the dark. See my nice complexion? I'm normally pale.
So can you see our viewer count just growing over there? We've got 48 right now, but it'll keep growing and people will keep suddenly coming back.
Wonderful.
Hi guys, we're in Milano. Actually, we're at this place called Navigli. It's called Manhattan. The place is called Manhattan, I'm guessing because of the pizzas. But I wanted to quickly look around. Is it too dark? Will somebody, if you're looking at me, can you tell me? Amog Luli, love you Malishka, just love the way you are, says Surbi.
Right.
And Joy Gandhi says, I'm looking beautiful. How can you even see me? Okay, let's see what Joey thinks.
Right. She's gorgeous from this angle, but I know that she keeps the camera off of me because I'm way better looking. So, no, I'm just no offense. I'm just kidding.
So I want to tell you, Joey एक listener है. He's not even a jock. I met him yesterday at the conference and I thought the way he talks, you know, it's American repartee and the two of us are going for it. Meetu is slightly bored. Actually, she's slightly happy कि Malishka मेरे से बात नहीं करेगी, लड़का मेरे से बात नहीं कर रहा. So she's peacefully like got earphones and everything. So Joey and I have been yapping about so many things.
Absolutely.
But at the same time, we had no idea what we should tell you guys. So thank you. Sumatra, hi! Sumatra Sarkar, by the way, is in America.
Yeah?
He was my listener for the longest time.
Really?
Yes, but he is now in America and he misses me. Cheers, you guys.
Right.
This is just lime juice.
Yeah. Suck on that lime juice. We know what's up with that. I'm just saying.
So, Joey, tell us your story. Apart from the fact that I know you think I'm fabulous, but
So that's your story.
Yes,
My story has not as much to do with you being fabulous, but with me being fabulous. So I got here because I won a contest through another radio station. Not Red FM, but
yeah, but
Right.
it was an American
Okay.
radio station. I can't do
it
anything
was,
about
so
that.
She can help me. But needless to say, there were a lot of
Kunal Sehgal. Oh my god, Kunal's asking me a crazy question, okay? Which will take most of my life. He says, Malishka, you're amazing, thank you. But he says, tell me one thing that inspired you the most to achieve great in life. So sweet.
I would like to address that question.
What do you? He knows me for one day.
On her, I've known her for hours now. So,
And we've already come away, Meetu and I, to a strange place to have some pizza and drinks.
it's an adventure. That's what you have. You make
So
an
it's like, oh
adventure.
my god, Meetu's here, Meetu, this is Facebook Live. So generally, Meetu is the one forcing me to do, oh, there's more light here. Shall we leave?
Yep.
We should meet our sweet little fellow, right? I forgot his name. So I wanted to meet some Italian boys. on my behalf. Can you see the place though? This place is bustling with life, okay? It's too dark now. I'll find another way to do Facebook Live with you. You must take this water. That's Indian for you. Hi guys, wait a minute. Excuse me. Okay, we're out. So people here think we're crazy, obviously, because nobody else goes live from here. Jasmeet, hi Jasmeet, you're always online. Priya Talekar, Varun Chopra. Oh, Malishka, you're out of range. I know, because my friend called me. That's why. Me too. Can you imagine, for the amount of talking Joey does, he has no idea what to say to my Indian public right now.
That's because she keeps telling me, don't say that. Don't say that.
I would never. Have you ever known me to tell anyone to not say anything?
That's because
I say something and get into trouble.
Okay, say something and get into trouble. Hi Mom, hi Dad. Thank you for meeting my new wife. I love her so much.
I think he just didn't. This is a pretend Indian accent.
Right.
तो इन्होंने Simpsons बहुत भर के देखा है और Simpsons में हर थैंक यू वड़क्कम वो वाली बातें होती है ना. So he thinks that's how Indians are. Let me educate you. Let me educate you.
I'm educated.
Oh my God! Look at the moon. I wonder if they'll be able to see it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, on Facebook Live.
Okay.
Come,
we're holding hands?
Yes, we're holding hands.
Okay.
Should I tell them though
Absolutely.
that you're gay?
I'm pregnant. I'm gay, sorry.
So, I have the most fabulous gay friends around the world, and they tell me all these fabulous things.
Oh, they can see
He's also single, so in case you're in where?
Yeah, in case you need like a green card, call me.
Look, there will be lots of people who will say yes.
Right, it's okay. I'll get you. We can make this happen. I
We
don't
can.
even mind.
Joey is not even on my Facebook yet, but you can find him in a while. Look at this vibrant place. I'm trying. Okay.
This is amazing.
Italia, Bellissimo, or something like that. Can you see that? The most beautiful men and women walk down around us. So here's one thing I've noticed that I'll tell them. And then you can say something. Joey? I meant you, Joey. Joey, 20 million people. 20 million. So when you're back home in India, right? The Indian men would find the women here very beautiful. Not that they're not. They are beautiful.
Everybody's beautiful
They're tall,
here.
they're elegant. They're dressed in winter clothes. Winter clothes makes you look beautiful anyway, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, but...
Ciao friend, come stai? How are you? Good night.
There. Roses are...
Hello. How are you? Oh, good.
Flower.
Right.
Hi, where are you from?
Yeah. Bangladesh.
You're live
बांग्लादेश?
Yes.
आपको हिंदी आती है?
Sì.
सी
तुम कैसा है? ठीक है.
तुम ठीक है.
तुम अच्छा है.
मैं बहुत अच्छा है. सुनो.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मैं बता मलिश्का.
Meliska.
हाँ.
तुम्हारा इंडिया dove abiti?
मेरा हिंदी क्या?
Ka dove ka? दिल्ली.
मुंबई. और इस वक्त दुनिया हमको देख रही है. देखो आपका नाम क्या है?
हमारा नाम जमाल है.
जमाल. ये इंडिया का फेसबुक लाइव है.
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोग इस वक्त हमको इंडिया में देख रहे हैं. ब्रावा. इनको कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
हाँ, प्रेगो.
प्रेगो का क्या मतलब है?
प्रेगो माने
Pregnant? रोज. हाँ दी. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, इटली के लोग लड़के बड़े रोमांटिक हैं क्या?
हाँ, बहुत बेला लोग.
बहुत बेला मत.
अच्छा लड़की है.
पर लड़की नहीं, लड़का.
लड़की.
Didn't we just
अच्छा
have this
है,
conversation?
अच्छा है. तो मेरे को अब तक किसी ने गुलाब क्यों नहीं दिया? ऐसे ही.
और जो जरूरत पड़ेगा और खुद मिलेगा.
तो आप मुझे गुलाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे? मैं कितनी सुंदर हूँ और मैं इंडिया से और इतने सारे लोग आपसे बात कर रहे
तो
हैं.
गर्लफ्रेंड
देखो जसमीत भाटिया बोल रहे हैं माय रिगार्ड्स टू जमाल. अयो जमाल कितना. दिस इज अ सुपर लॉन्ग स्टेम रोज. इसका क्या कीमत है? इसका कीमत क्या है? अरे इसका प्राइस क्या है? 5 euro for a rose. Do you know how much that is? Just multiply 75 into 5 and then you will see. मर जाओगे ना 75 into 5 देते. Thank you. नहीं Jamal, I will wait for a boy to give it to me. No point in him giving it to me. Thank you, Jamal.
I'm barely a boy.
Yeah, you're barely a boy.
Not down here. I'm a small boy, just
Me
mentally and
too.
physically.
Me too बहुत भाव खाती है. So tell me one thing you love about Indian women, Joey.
Oh my God! Have you seen how they shake their hips? That's fabulous.
You did? Did you
I
see
watched.
how?
Of course, I did. I watched the video with you teaching Daryl how to dance,
Oh, yeah.
and then I was there last night when you were doing it, and then when you had me tied up on the bed, I was there shaking it. I'm like, wow, what are
Maybe
you?
it wasn't
Look
gay.
at you.
Oh, dude.
It was you. I was sleeping. She wasn't there. It was just me dreaming about it.
But listen, Joey, thanks for coming to the IRF, the International Radio Festival.
Thank
जिसके
you
लिए
for
मैं यहाँ
having
बैठी
me.
हूँ. It's not any credit to me. You missed my show as well.
I did.
But
I
did
did.
you hear about
I have
it?
poor life choices, so that's what I
that's
did.
true. Did you hear about my show at least?
Of course I did.
What did you hear?
I heard what you told me. I didn't hear anything about your show. I'm sorry.
You're representing me so badly.
I'm a terrible. This is why we've been friends for hours, and I'll never see her again.
How do you know?
Because
Last night when I left you at the lift, when Meetu and I left him at the lift, I told Meetu, I said life is so strange, right? You meet people and you may never see them again and you may be such great friends. So Joey talks 19 to the dozen, just like me. और हमने इतनी बातें की, and I thought I wouldn't see him when I said bye at the lift. And today we were going to go to Venice. We canned that plan and Meetu asked Joey if he wanted to go with us.
Yeah.
And here we are. Look at this beautiful place. There's water. It almost looks like Venice.
it does.
It's
It
not
looks like
Venice.
with the ducks and the cheese. It's
Yes.
Venice.
Vicky, Badange, please come back soon. See, people miss me back home. You
They
have
do.
no
I don't know
idea.
how they even let you leave the country. I'm like,
It's
no,
difficult.
you don't leave.
It's
We don't
difficult.
ever. It's like letting the Statue of Liberty leave. How did you all do it? You can't. This is your prized possession.
Okay, tell me one thing about Americans you dislike. Come on, this
One thing about Americans that I
because you're
dislike.
American.
Listen to me for 5 minutes. You'll learn 20 things that you probably don't like about Americans that I don't like about Americans. But at the same time, we
Stop being politically correct and tell me the truth. Look at me. Talk to me. I know you want to say this. Say it. Say it.
we are really arrogant. Because we cook better than Italians.
What?
We dance better than Indians.
Oh!
We have perceived freedom, and no, I don't know what to say that I don't like it.
No.
Everybody has dislikes
Let's
about their country.
screw that.
Okay.
What you said a while ago, that hurt me. Right
Oh.
on this, no, I'm calling you to a face-off right on this very busy
Okay.
street. I'm going to teach you to dance.
Hang
Indian.
on. I hurt her because I said she was 29. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I'm hurt that he said I'm 29 because that makes my mental age lesser. I'm younger than that.
She is.
Yeah, but I'm upset that you thought I was 29 on the basis of how I spoke. You should have said you're 60
It
by the way
wasn't.
you talk.
It wasn't.
Where's Meetu? Meetu?
It was. I told her there were multiple factors there.
No. I'm going stand here.
Listen, don't make me get in on this
Jo-
with you right now because I will get the head going.
Is that how we talk?
I don't know.
You should be lucky that we. So I'm going to invite you to a face-off on this busy street.
Okay.
I'm going to teach you to dance, and people are going to tell us who danced better. Are you ready, Joey? Oh,
got
look
music?
at that! Look at that! Look
You
at
got
that!
music?
Oh, I'm music enough, baby.
Are you?
Meetu, come on.
I need to put
Meetu
this
loves
somewhere.
this part. Meetu loves when we dance. Meetu, show them how busy this road is, so that they know we're
Look,
not
now we're
kidding.
the same height. There's a 3-foot difference here, by the way.
Can you see how many people are here? Good. Because we do ridiculous stuff only when people are around. We do? I even took off my jacket for this. I can't play something. How can I
Doesn't-
play something? My phone's
She's listening
busy.
to music on her iPod. She can play something.
Yeah. Now people are really getting scandalized. They're like, there's an Indian and American.
Right.
What are we gonna do?
Oh my God,
It's
you don't
so
even
dark.
know.
Guys,
Have you ever
please,
seen Dirty Dancing?
Have you? Rohit
Lined up on
Tiwari.
it?
Hi. Thank you for searching for me. Rohit, listen.
I remembered what I hate about
Oh,
Americans.
you did? Okay.
I do.
Okay. Okay, what do you hate about Americans?
She did this hip thing.
What's
That
wrong?
was probably the predecessor of twerking. And you turned that into some bastard creature.
Oh, that's
And I
good.
apologize,
I love
world.
you. So,
I apologize.
कल मैंने इनको ठुमका दिखाया और किसी ने मुझसे कहा oh that's twerking. I said excuse me, the ठुमका existed long before that Miley Cyrus virus ने twerking करना शुरू
Absolutely.
किया. Exactly. So I'm going to show you the original ठुमका on the streets of Italy right now. Are you ready to do it?
Absolutely.
Come on. Guys, just tell me if it's clear enough because I can see myself in this camera. I look really dark. रोहित तिवारी, दीपक मौर्य, बता ना जरा. Please, dark है क्या? कि मैं दिख रही हूँ. Okay. He's trying to play some music. Till then, do you want to know anything about Milan? Because I can tell you, I have not shopped for shit. Like, we haven't done any shopping. Though there's lots of shopping that you can do, but हमको जगह देखने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. मीतू तब तक तू बात तो कर इनसे just. मीतू Wait, Meetu, give me my phone. It'll fall in the water. Just imagine, सारे लोग गए पानी. Meetu! Okay, Meetu, come back. We need you to play music. Come on. I don't have enough 3G to last us the whole day. First of all, we're making fools of ourselves on these streets. The question is, my dear friends, would you do the same thing? क्या आप ऐसा करते अगर आप इटली की सड़कों पे होते? Too late, Joey Taggart. Hi guys. Are we live? Yes, we're live. I was just telling my new friend Joey Taggart, I'm not showing your face yet, because he's American and he's worried. No, but he's American and he wants to know if there's anything he would say that would offend Indians, right?
Yeah.
And I said, okay, Joey, are you ready to be famous?
I am ready to be famous. Thank you.
You're not.
Yeah. I'm over here though, so I'll come wherever she wants me to be at. Now I'm in the dark. See my nice complexion? I'm normally pale.
So can you see our viewer count just growing over there? We've got 48 right now, but it'll keep growing and people will keep suddenly coming back.
Wonderful.
Hi guys, we're in Milano. Actually, we're at this place called Navigli. It's called Manhattan. The place is called Manhattan, I'm guessing because of the pizzas. But I wanted to quickly look around. Is it too dark? Will someone, if you're looking at me, can you tell me? Amog Nuli, love you Milishka, just love the way you are, says Surbi.
Right.
And Joa Gadi says, I'm looking beautiful. How can you even see me? Okay, let's see what Joey thinks.
Right. She's gorgeous from this angle, but I know that she keeps the camera off of me because I'm way better looking. So, no, I'm just no offense. I'm just kidding.